How to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device and go straight to the Settings tab. You can tap on the bottom right of your screen and go to the Settings tab. Now, once you are in Settings, scroll down and you will see the option for Help. Tap on that and further, tap on the Help Center option. Here, scroll down to the bottom and you will see the option for Contact Support. Tap on that. You will then be led to the interface where you will be allowed to send your queries to WhatsApp. So tap on the text box you see there and type in your issue. Make sure to be more informative and descriptive about your issue while reporting for quicker responses from WhatsApp. Once you are done entering your query, tap on Next. Now, select the most appropriate option for you in the interface that you will be led to. You will see the guideline on how you can recover your account. So, go through the guideline and see if that helps, and if not, scroll to the bottom and tap on No and then on Send My Question to WhatsApp support. You will then be led to WhatsApp support team in WhatsApp itself. So chat with them and they will help you in fixing your issue. So this is how you can recover old WhatsApp account without SIM. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.